Do you have old straight wig in your closet and you are not sure about what to do with it? I'm going to show you how you can turn your old wigs into fringe rockable wig in this video. Kindly pay attention and watch to the end. First, the things you need your mannequin, you need clips, you need a sharp scissors, and you need a dryer, and also you need a straightener. These are the basic things you need to make this magic happen. So I've had this wig sitting in my closet for a long time, and I just thought, what do I want to do with this? So yeah, I actually rewigged it in a way. So yeah, I placed it on my mannequin, and to make it flat as possible I had to blow dry it, because, well, let's just call this a process of revamping. So I'll be using this heat protectant. It is olive oil heat protectant by ORS to protect the hair, because the hair looks a little bit dry, and I'm using this small tailed comb so that it can be as flat as possible. Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Glo-Mary. I talk about everything beauty, from makeup tips to hair care tips and skincare tips. If that is what you're looking for, you can be sure you have found the right channel. Kindly like and subscribe. So after blow drying the hair, I had to separate it into smaller parts so I can be able to flat iron it. So I'll be using this hair wax. I'm sure a lot of us are familiar with this hair wax to make this wig flat, and I will go ahead and straighten it with my straightener. So while I'm straightening it, I'm checking the parts that are not equal and that needs a little bit of trimming, and I am trimming them as I go forward. Also, you can see how I am turning my hand while I am straightening, so that I can have that bob effect when I am done straightening it. And I'm also following up with my tailed comb so that everything can be flat and gorgeous. So here I was done with the side part and the back part. So this is where the magic actually happens. This is the front side that we are going to turn into a fringe. So I'm going to first flat iron it and make it straight by adding my hair wax, and it's also going in with the flat iron. I mean, that's also the straightener. So when I was done straightening that, I have to divide the size of the fringe that I want. Some people can use tape rule to measure their forehead and just to measure to be accurate, but I'm using my discretion in this case. So it depends on what you want. You can use a tape rule to just measure your forehead and then measure it on the wig, and you can use your discretion like I am doing. So after I have divided this and I'm satisfied, I'll go ahead and cut it. So I'm cutting it a little by little so that I will not regret my action, right? So I saw that this was too long, and then I had to cut it again. So after I was done cutting, I had to also trim the tip so that I can feel give that like natural vibe, because it's looking too thick and I'm trying to see what can I do to make it look more natural and not as heavy as it is looking right now. So after I'm done trimming the tip, I will also have to cut some of this hair underneath so it can be as light as I want it to be. So right now I'm satisfied with the thickness of the hair, and I'm going to curl it with my straightener. You can see how I turned my hand. You can just reverse this video so that you can watch how I turned my hand. This is very simple. There's nothing complicated about it. Just turn your hand instead of straightening it. You just turn your hand, like you just curve your hand, and that's all. So you do the same for the body of the hair. If you don't want it to be straight, you want that bob effect, you can just, you know, curve your hand while you are using your straightener, and it will give it that curvy effect that you want. And so guys, here comes the verse of the day before I give you the full review of what it looks like on my head. If you are just joining, we do this all the time. We share an encouraging verse of the Bible in every long form video. And so guys, this is what it looks like on my head. I mean, this is my first time rocking a fringe wig. I'm waiting for your review, guys. I want you to rate this look. Should we continue to rock this look, or should we just go back to natural hair? If you get value from this video, kindly like, subscribe and comment, and I'll make sure I see you in my next one.